Welcome to Hashtag Divine Wisdom. Today we are baking a steak. This is a quick and short preparation. Alright, I got my onions in the pan. And as you can see, it's a little bit of seasoning in the pan. Don't put a whole lot of seasoning in your pan. Got onions in the pan. Got onions that are not seasoned. Melted butter. My seasonings that I am using. Alright, let's get that steak in the pan. Alright. Time to put some seasonings on it. Here comes the sprinkle. After you sprinkle it with a little bit of seasoning to perfection. She's been sprinkled. Alright. Had to put that seasoning on her. Had to put that seasoning on him. Had to put that seasoning on. Had to put that seasoning on him. Alright now. We're gonna sprinkle it with a couple more onions. Alright, now we're gonna drizzle some butter. Alright. Next step, add your cup of water. Get a glass of water. Nice, clean glass of water. Alright. Pour your water into the pan until it fills it up. To right there. You don't need any more water than that. See? Right just above the steak. Just above it. Just above it. Alright. Get a piece of aluminum foil. Time to wrap it up and put it in the oven. Well, let me show you something smart about aluminum foil real quick. When you want to put slits in it instead of cutting it. Fold it in half. Fold it twice in half. Take the edge and just rip it a little bit. That is how it should look. Unfold it once. Unfold it twice. This is how it should look. See? The hole is already in there. See? See? See my finger? The hole is in there. Yeah. It is all wrapped up. It is all wrapped up now. It's time to go in the oven. Alright. We'll be back. Set your oven at 375. Now it's cleanup time. We'll be back with the end results on how he look. Blessings. Hashtag Divine Wisdom. Hashtag Better Eights. It's a pleasure. I appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch me bake a steak today. That's what's for dinner. Alright, let's take a look. That's the sound I like to hear. Let's check and see what he looking like. Sound like I'm ready. Alright. It appears to be looking done. I do not recommend that you just be sticking your hand in a hot oven. I lifted it up because I'm a little hot prone. Also, by the way, the oven was preheated at 350. Smells good. Time for the reveal. He is perfect. He is perfect. Oh yeah. See that gravy all ready for you? Don't even gotta make none. He is done. Time to plate it. Let's go, let's flow. Come on, steak. Hello. Steak is what's for dinner. Grab you some sides and get it going. That's a baked steak. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. We're gonna take a piece and let you know how this tastes. Alright, let's get a taste up in here. I didn't eat honey. She is so tender. Did you see how she... Did you just see how she just flaked apart? Honey. Dang. All the way through. That's what you call it. Dang. Dang, dang. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 If I say so myself, that day is a divine hashtag better 8 piece of steak. Thank you. It has been a pleasure. I'm getting ready to enjoy this piece of steak and the rest of the steak, as well as I may put some broccoli on the side. I haven't decided quite yet. It's what's for dinner. Get you a baked steak. Thanks for choosing hashtag Divine Wisdom, where what? We baking steak. Peace and blessings to you and your family. Enjoy. Thank you for choosing Divine Wisdom. See, look at this. This has been another hashtag Better Eats moment where you what? Better had ate you a baked steak. Be nothing more and none less than great. Peace and blessings to you and your family. I hope you enjoyed this baked steak tutorial. I'm the chef. Hashtag Divine Wisdom over here and hashtag Better Eats. Peace and blessings. I'm so serious. This steak is good. Please bake a steak for your family. They will enjoy this. Please, please try. It is scrumptious.